It's just giving me life, like, okay. Benefits, you all did yourself with this brow pencil. Like, you guys did great with this brow pencil. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Faith, and if this is your first time seeing this fine girl, this fine face, you are very welcome. Okay, all right guys, so today I'm going to be doing a review of the Benefit new brow micro filling pen. So I got this from Benefit, and I've been having it for about a week now, but I just haven't had time to do my makeup. Honestly guys, I haven't been in the spirit of doing makeup. Like, I keep saying I'm gonna do it, I'm gonna try it, but I just haven't had like the spirit to just sit and film like a video and do makeup on my face. And then I was breaking out on my lips and everything. I was like, I beg, let me wait for it to go and stuff. But anyways guys, the show must go on. Okay, apparently guys, this brow pencil here is supposed to basically give you like a natural effect, and also like you know how when you do like the microblading, it's supposed to give you that like natural microblading effect. So yes guys, I got it in the darkest shade, which is their dark brown, deep brown. It's called deep, not dark, deep brown. That's the color I got. And from what it says, it is 24 hours long, wear waterproof. They said it is waterproof guys. So we are going to be trying this. I haven't really put in anything on my face, so what I'm going to quickly do is just go ahead and brush my eyebrows, and let's try this and see what the hype is all about. Okay, so yes guys, let's get into. So I just got my eyebrows threaded like yesterday, so that's why my eyebrow is looking this good. Okay, all right, let me get a mirror. This is how it looks on the inside guys. This is definitely how it looks. Then I'm gonna quickly pop this up, and it has like a 3 mouth kind of. I'm gonna zoom you guys in a little bit so you guys can actually see how it looks. Okay, so let's zoom in a little bit more. All right, so guys, let's go ahead and start. Okay, not bad. Okay, I'm just gonna fill that in, and I'm gonna also do that right here. So I'm trying to do it as natural as possible. So that's basically it. Looks good. I'm just gonna give a light stroke on the front. Okay, not bad. I like. Alright guys, so that's basically how it looks. It really is good. I like it. I just wish they had like one shade darker, but apart from that, I like it. It's really easy to apply. Honestly, it's really easy to apply guys. So yes, I do like it, and it actually is dried now. I know they say you're supposed to leave it to dry up. It is dry, nothing at all. You can see there's nothing in my finger, so this is actually good and nice. And like they say, yep, it's good, nothing. So yes, so I'm gonna quickly conceal. So let's go ahead and conceal. And for my concealer today, to clean up my brows, I'm going to be using my Tarte concealer in the shade Deep. That's what I'm going to be using, and with my good old elf brush. So let's quickly conceal. And honestly guys, I don't even really need to conceal because like I said, I got my eyebrows done yesterday, so my brows is perfectly fine, but I'm just used to cleaning up my eyebrows whenever I do them. So yeah, that's why. But I don't really need to. Like, you can just literally go, like if you're not applying makeup, you just, you know, use this bright pencil, you are good to go. But I'm going to be doing my full face, so let me go ahead and conceal. Guys, so I'm done concealing now. I like it, it's good. I would definitely use this. So what I'm gonna do is quickly finish up my makeup, and I'll be right back to give you guys my final thought on this brow pencil and what I really think about it. So yes guys, I'm gonna quickly finish up my makeup and I will be right back. Okay. Alright guys, so yes, I am done with my makeup. I just went ahead to, you know, finish up my makeup. A girl is looking fine. Guys, I love like, I love this brow pencil, guys. I know at first I was like, oh, it's not the color, it's not my color. I wish it was a darker color. Guys, forget everything. I just scratch it out, eh? I like it. After I finish doing my makeup and everything, it just fits so well. Like, I'm looking at myself at the mirror, guys. Yeah, so it feels so good. I love it. Oh god, I love this. I love it. And guys, it's actually like, look, see me cleaning? You see me cleaning? Look, nothing. Literally guys, nothing. The only thing you see might be my eyeshadow because I'm like cleaning. Nothing. This thing literally stays. You can't even clean it out. You have to literally use maybe makeup remover to like take it out. I like it, guys. This is gonna be like this is my new fave. I'm gonna be using this every time, guys. And also I got it for $22. I'm pretty sure. Let me check, because I got it the day it came out. So let me check just a moment. The brow pencil was for $25 and I got it for free shipping, so they shipped it free to me. Yes guys, so it was for $25 and with free shipping. Guys, I love this brow pencil. Like, go get yourself this micro filling brow pencil. It's just everything. I love it so much. Like, it's just giving me life. Like, benefits, you all did yourself with this brow pencil. Like, you guys did great with this brow pencil. Benefit, I give you guys a big thumbs up. So with this brow pencil, from 10 out of 10, I'll give it a 9. And the only reason why I'm giving this brow pencil a 9, guys, is because it doesn't have like the brush like this. If they had like this stuff like attached to this brush, it would have just been the perfect thing ever. So that's the only thing I can say. Nothing is coming out, nothing. So I definitely love this brow pencil. So definitely go get yourself this brow pencil and thank me later. Okay, so yes guys, this is the end of this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. I definitely enjoyed filming this video. And also for my lashes, guys, I used my Glamnetic magnetic lashes. Definitely go check them out. I am gonna leave my discount code on the screen for 15% off, so definitely check that out and go order you some Glamnetic lashes. I love these lashes. I've been using it now. That's like my new fave. I love it. So yes, definitely check that out. Actually, if you guys want a full video of this look, let me know, and I'm definitely gonna get that out for you guys, because I really didn't film this look. It was just, I just was like, let me just film and go. So if you guys want a full video for this look, definitely let me know. And guys, do not forget to follow me on Instagram. I'm gonna leave my Instagram handle right here. Go and follow me on Instagram. Go and follow your girl on Instagram. I still be on Instagram 24/7, so definitely check me out on Instagram, okay, and Snapchat. I'm gonna leave that also. I always am on Instagram and on Snapchat, guys, so definitely check me out, okay? Thank you. Right, guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share my video. Please share my video, I mean, so everybody can see, you know, like if you enjoy it, somebody else might enjoy it. So just share. It doesn't cost you anything. And subscribe. It's $0 and 0 cents to subscribe. So thank you very much. I definitely appreciate that. Like always, stay beautiful and stay safe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.